So there's a baby. Oh, and there's a baby down there. And I think those are the only two. Oh, I think she's got one hidden behind her. The one by the water trough. I see an ear. But I think those are the only two moms this morning. Oh, sister, you're close. And it looks like Zeppelin got out again. Isn't that him there? Yeah, Mom stood up and was hiding the second one, so she has twins. And she has twins. Okay, let's go make some room. We found a lamb in the big pen that's kind of humpy. I don't know if he's lost his mom, if his mom's not making enough milk, or what the deal is. But so we threw him under lights, and I'm going to make him up some milk, hopefully to get some energy back into him, and we'll see how it goes from there. So only 2 sets of twins this morning, which is good. 17 yesterday was plenty. I am not quite recovered. I hurt in a lot of places. I probably shouldn't hurt for doing this for almost 2 months straight. But I think we have 19 left in the barn to lamb, and then either tomorrow or Thursday we're going to run this group outside because I have a lot in there with really big bags, so I need to get them brought in. So this would be the beginning of our second Who's Your Daddy group. Is that right? Yes, the 15th would start our second Who's Your Daddy. So these guys are getting close. Today is the 8th, so I'm a week away. We're going to bring them in, run them. Anybody that has a big bag or I think is close to lambing or could potentially lamb, we're going to put in the maternity pen, and then probably do it again in 2 weeks after that. So you can see how he's kind of humpy. He's got his tail tucked. He did drink all 10 ounces, so he was definitely hungry. But we've got the heat lamp above him, heating pad under him, and we'll just keep an eye on him, get him warm. May or may not put him back with his mom. We'll just see. We'll see how he does in the next 24 hours. So we made up this little pen for him just so he doesn't wander and end up somewhere he's not supposed to. Can't put him in with these girls, they will trample him. And can't put him in the pen that we originally made for this type of thing because that has become our grafting pen, for lack of better name. We did go ahead and let out just everybody in this pen and then put in 3 more so that we'd have room for those lambs that were born today. And does not leave us a whole lot of room. So tonight when I get home, we are going to expand this again. So we're going to bring this one to this panel and send it across this way, and then put 2 more panels this way and give them another 16 feet of headspace, which should just about get this group. And then we are going to separate off, I think, everything that's 30 days and put them outside. And hopefully the weather will cooperate and not be like back to winter. I know they're 30 days, I know they're sheep, I know they can be outside, but it still gives me a little anxiety. I like having my sheep in here where I can see them. Eagles still circle the farm every night, so I need more dogs. So what'd you tell me when I showed up? What'd you tell me when I showed up?
Well, this place was a shit show today.
And why is that?
Because we had a set of triplets, and one of those got stole by a mom who had a set of twins. We had another set of twins. We had a single out in the pasture. Then the panel here fell down, which let part of the moms that had already lambed in with the two bees. And now we don't know who belongs to what.
And he's been doing this on his own because I had a dairy sheep meeting this evening that just barely got done. So yes, it's funny, but it's not, because it's 7:30. We haven't even begun to feed, and we have to build another jug and figure out how to get these moms back to the other side where they belong without losing the moms that haven't lambed yet. One of these things is not like the other.
Yeah.
Guess which one is not hers? That little white one belongs there. But she stole it and then popped out these two boys. Yes, boys, because why would they be girls? Yeah, that's not what I wanted to see. Today's actually been pretty productive, lamb-wise. We didn't get anything else done. He had meetings, I had meetings, I had work. And yeah, it's been one of those days. But we had a single, 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of twins and 1 set of triplets. And one of those triplets was stolen just before she popped out her own twins. And we're trying to decide if we should pull her and just make her a bottle baby, or if we can get her back onto mom, because she had 2 girls and a boy, so we could just sell the boy as a bottle baby and keep the 2 girls on mom. So I got to do some thinking on that, but I still have 2 ewes I have to get out of the other pen that escaped when he was making more headspace for feed tonight, and my phone's just about dead, so we'll see you tomorrow. Well, this is not what I was expecting this morning. But we had a set of twins over here, and then behind the bunk over there, there's another set. We are slowly getting through this group. Mornings we seem to be having just 2 ewes lamb, which is okay. And then in the evening it seems to be as many as they can pop out. So he's just pushing the sheep back out. I didn't realize he'd left them out all night, but he did. And rather than having them come in, he has to go snowplow this morning. I have to go to work, and we just would like them out back so that they're not trying to cross where the fence is down up here and get into the neighbor's dirt patch, which then leads them right to the road, which is always a fun phone call to get. So, perimeter fencing, #1 goal this year. Can I see your baby, Mama? This isn't what I was expecting when we made the loop today. He's not very old. Hey, Mama, can I see your baby? 64. 84? 64. That is platinum.
Really?
Yep.
Yeah, it is.
She had no bag 2 weeks ago.
I know.
Hey, Mama, can we have your baby?
Good thing is she should be liftable.
Okay, let's go. Okay, quick update. When we found this lamb and Mom, got him all the way to the gate, I could hear another baby Vaughn. So we thought she had twins and we had left one somewhere. So we walked all the way back, never could find it, the buying quit. So then as we headed back toward the pickup, we heard it again and realized it was on the other side of the creek. So we went around to the other side of the creek, walked all the way down to the choke cherries, found Mom and baby.
New mom and baby.
But we can't get there from here, so we gotta go all the way back around to the front of the farm and get that Mom and baby.
First we got to unload this mom and baby.
Unload this Mom and baby. Ooh.
At the barn.
Rough road.
Then come back in the other way.
And then come back in the other way, get this Mom and I know I had to take mine off too. I can't see anything, they're fogged up. So yeah. And that's only been like an hour.
No.
Hi, Mama. Yeah, I'm not really sure how to get around the fence. Without spooking her. That is a big baby. Oh, she does have a lamb. I don't even see the other mom. Oh, laying under the tree. I see her now. Okay. One crisis at a time. Took a little work, but... What's that?
We need to keep a piece of rolled wire just for that reason.
Just to trap them. So we got the black one is a first-time mom. The white one is not. We have 2 lambs. They both want the lambs. We have a dead lamb that I'm guessing is the black ewes lamb, and that these 2 actually belong to the white one. However, the black one has claimed one, the white one has claimed one. We're just gonna let it fly. But we had to trap them in this because the black one would not let us catch her. So we're gonna throw them out both in the pickup, take them to the barn, and then go to work, I hope. We got 3 moms, 3 babies. Call that a good day. Good morning. I never even turned on my camera last night. Once I got home from work, it was cold, I was tired, and I just wanted to get stuff done. We only had 1 ewe lamb, and she had a set of twins, but one of them died within an hour. It was not doing well when it was born. So she has a single, and then we did pull that other triplet that's not a triplet off of the mom with the 2 black lambs. And so she's just, they're so much bigger. They're taking all the milk. She tries, but she can't compete. So rather than losing her, we just decided to go ahead and pull her off, and we're gonna bottle feed her. So I'm making milk for the 2 bottle babies, and then we need to run this group today after yesterday having 3 ewes lamb out in the snowstorm. No. So we're going to pull these guys in, and I'm going to check bags. We are going to take everything that is close up and leave them in the barn, and then all these guys can go out on whatever grass they can find because we still have a lot of snow on the ground from yesterday. So we kept in, let's see, we had 9 last night and we brought in 18, so we have 27 in here that should lamb in the next 10-ish days. And we probably have another, I think 10 that are between a week and 2 weeks out. So we will go ahead. We have to run the group anyway next week because I have some that I need to sell. And so when we run them next week, I will double check bags again. And then we'll go ahead and bring in anybody that's just that much closer. It's not ideal, but it works. NVIDIA sadly lost both her lambs, so we're gonna try and get those two onto her. Sweetheart. Hi, good girl. Yeah, good girl. So we're going to take her and her 2 lambs and just switch them out with the pen that Vidia's in, and then we'll use this to hopefully graft those 2 onto her. And keep our fingers crossed that it will work. However, we can't take them yet because we just fed them. So we're gonna have to wait an hour or 2, and then we'll go ahead and get everything switched out and see what happens. Getting rid of a bunch of the old hay. This is always a good place to dump it. Oh. I didn't think he'd dump it all in one place, but it's okay. He's going back for another load. I lost my knife, so I had to grab a kitchen knife to cut all these bales. My snow babies. You see 1 baby and 2 babies. Where's the other baby? Oh, there's the other baby. Okay, I feel better now. 1, 2, 3 babies, 3 mummies. Okay, good girls. Yep, I'm keeping him.
Little black one?
Yeah.
Yeah, white people.
Half Finn, half Icelandic.
Oh, goody.
I just wanted 1 day with no babies.
Nope, not today.
We got too much going on, sister. Now the question is she one we just brought in, or is she one that's been in?
Right.
Yep. Girl, Mama, you had twins. girl. Got one on video. Good baby. Oh. And I got 2 on. And she is not freaking out. Good evening. We just got back from our meeting and need to make bottles for the 4 bottle babies. Plus we have 2 lambs that we put into the I'm too cold, I need heat top and bottom pen. So we are going to go check them. We gave them electrolytes. Let's see, it would have been about 3 hours ago. So we're going to go ahead and get them some milk now. Okay, so we had start. She is kind of sort of accepting him. And we're going to leave her out of the head stall for tonight. I did take the other lamb off because I don't know, either they're sucking her dry completely or she doesn't have enough milk for 2. So I put her in here with her sister. These are 2 of the triplets, both of the girls. The boy is still with mom, but neither, so this one is the one that got stolen. This one was super cold and humped up. So we're just gonna bring them in here and probably bottle feed them. And then she still has her ram lamb, and her ewe lamb that we were doctoring died. So, I'm not sure what it's about with girl lambs being super fragile, but we have lost way more girl lambs than we have boy lambs this year. I'm not sure what the deal is, but just had a pair of twins born, both boys. Show you those in the morning. It's like 10:30. We're going to bed. See you next time.